What's up, y'all? Welcome back to today's video. I am very appreciative of all you guys' support on the last video. I did not expect it to do, pretty well. I mean, it did pretty well, in my opinion, it did pretty well. And I appreciate all the support and all the comments I got on that video. So, we're back today for episode 2. And today we're going to be doing a couple things on the Z. So, we're going to start by removing the exhaust. We got to remove the drive shaft. Basically, start the process to take the engine out. And I mean, it's hard to know where to start when it's a car with so much things, but we started. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna exhaust, drive shaft. We're also gonna take out the boost pipes. We're gonna take out the radiator and then possibly some other stuff, but stay tuned. And if the footage is a little I'm sorry. This was before I had a little more experience with cameras. This was when I first started, so give me a little break, So let's get to it, and hopefully y'all enjoy this episode too. See how it sounds. Finished taking off the drive shaft and the exhaust shields. That's for the engine pool. Now, next step for the engine pool is to remove these and all the electrical. And yeah, we'll get to it. just want to show you guys what I found. I just took off the bumper, right? Bro, this headlight, it ain't even attached. Holy shit. Excuse my language, but bro, oh my god. That makes sense. Oh.